Hello guys, today we will discuss on Lenskart IPO full review. Today we will highlight on company's valuation, company's growth, company's GMP and risk profile, and also we will add some light on peer comparison. Is there any listed player in this space? So guys, let's start the video. India's eyewear revolution coming to the Dalal Street. Lenskart, the brand that changed how India buys glasses, is now bringing its IPO. But should you subscribe or stay away? Let's decode everything: its business model, valuation, peer comparison, and even GMP updates. Now, on the first part, we will discuss on company's review. This company is founded by Piyush Bansal. Lenskart Solution Limited is a technology-driven eyewear company with vertically integrated business model. From design to manufacturing, all the work the company is doing by itself. And the retail part, this company has a strong app based and web based portal where from the company is getting its sale, and all the retail customer like their services to buy more and more eyeglasses and lenses from this website. According to RHP and RedShare report, Lenskart is India's largest and one of Asia's top two organized retailer of prescription eyeglasses. Now I will share some quick stats. As of financial year 2025, the company has 2806 number of stores and 2137 number in India, and the company has presence in abroad also. They have 669 stores. The company has total 100 million plus app download in Google Play Store. The company has a strong design team consisting of 109 members. Company's revenue is 66,525 million, which is equivalent to 6,652 crore in financial year 2025. The company has shown 32.5% CAGR growth rate in its revenue. So we can see that company is growing very fast. Now we will show some highlight on business model and company strength. Lenskart operates an omni-channel model, blending online convenience with offline trust. Its manufacturing facilities in Bhiwandi and Gurugram handle both lenses and frames, giving them cost control and fast delivery, even next day in some cities. Their Lenskart Gold membership has a strong presence over 7.1 million users. They are driving repeat sales from its website and app also. Now we will share some industry and growth prospect of this company. India's eyewear market is still dominated by unorganized player. Nearly 77% of sales come from local opticians. If you live in a small town or suburban area, you can see that there are several unorganized retail players, and you can hardly notice any branded eyewear retail center or shop in your locality. So there is a huge prospect of Lenskart to expand their presence in a suburban areas, tier 2 and tier 3 cities. They have a small presence in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So the growth prospect is quite high in this company. Globally, it competes with names like Warby Parker, Essilor, Luxottica, Fieldman AG, but its India first tech model gives it an edge. Guys, now I will share some financial highlight of this company. In financial year 2023, the company's total income was 3,927 crore, and it has been on an increasing trend. In financial year 2024, the company's total turnover was 5,609 crore, and in 31st March 2025, the company has shown a staggering revenue of 7,000 crore. Company's profit after tax is also showing some fabulous growth rate. Company initially shown some losses in financial year 2023 and 24, and in 2025 it has shown some operating leverage, and its profit touched almost 300 crore in FY25. Company's net worth is also showing some increasing trend, from 5,444 crore in FY23 to 6,108 crore in FY 2025. Company's reserve and surplus is also showing some good number from 5,400 crore in FI 23 to 5795 crore in FI 2025. Company's total borrowing is also showing some improvement. Initially in FI 2023, it has total borrowing of 917 crore. Now the debt position has been decreased dramatically. Now the company has only 345 crore of loan in its book. Now guys, I will share some valuation and peer comparison of this company. Lenskart valuation is expected in the range of 90,000 to 1 lakh crore, making it one of India's most valuable retail tech IPO. From RHP, the information has been taken. No listed direct peer in India. Titan I Plus is the only comparable segment player. Other competitors like Specs Makers, Ganger Opticians, GKB Opticals, Reliance Vision Express, etc. But all of the players are very small if you compare their turnover and PAT in comparison with Lenskart. Revenue of its peer is 65% lower than Lenskart India operation. Now guys, the IPO details and GMP. From investogain.com and chittorgo.com, we have got the information. Company's GMP showing 80 to 100 rupees. Issue size is around 7,278 crore. Company has fresh issue and offer for sale. So how the company will use its proceed of IPO? Company will expand its store position. Company is also increasing its capacity in manufacturing. Company is also upgrading its technology. Now we can see the risk factor of this IPO. Key risks to watch: high competition from Titan I Plus and new entrants. All these players are throwing some tough competition to its counterpart Lenskart. Heavy marketing dependence. Company is burning cash for marketing expense as high as 7% of its turnover. In financial year 2023 and 24, company has disclosed losses in its book, but now company has disclosed in FY25 almost 300 crore profit in its book. Still loss making in some international units. Consumer discretionary slowdown can affect its sales. Now the verdict. Lenskart IPO brings a mix of brand power, scalability and technology. If priced reasonably, it could be long-term structural growth story like Titan or Nykaa. But valuation comfort will be key. So you have to watch closely how it has been traded after IPO, but we can expect that almost 17% listing gain can be possible in Lenskart. So guys, will you apply for Lenskart IPO, or if you are a mid to long term investor, will you participate for long to medium term wealth creation from this company? Guys, I hope you like our IPO analysis video of Lenskart, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share our video.